Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very unique and new pattern. You can knit this pattern in your hat and also you can knit in your jeans sweater and ladies sweater. This is the way it looks like. See, I have done 3 repeats here. This is 1 repeat, 2 repeat and 3 repeats. See. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on each stitch and purl stitch. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 7. This pattern is made of 5 stitch and this pattern is made of 2. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 and then 2 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 7 plus 7 14 and plus 2 extra stitch 16 and 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side, row 1 right side your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern purl 2, 1, 2 and then knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 and knit 5. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have done 2 repeats, 1 and 2, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 3 stitch, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, 1, 2 and then edge stitch knit. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat that again. Knit 2 and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch slip knit twice on the right side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 5. Again purl 2 and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch knit. Row 4 wrong side. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 and in front we're going to make these loops. We're going to make this pattern here on this row. So first from these 5 stitch we have done knit 2. From this 5 stitch, purl 2 first, 1, 2, purl 2 and here this stitch, for this stitch now your yarn in back and then we're going to wrap this your index finger. We're going to wrap your index finger around this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times, and bring this yarn in front. And now we're going to purl all these 7 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl all these 7 loops like so from your index finger, see, and leave it here. And then now pass this, transfer this stitch to your left hand needle, and now pass this stitch over this like so, and purl it one more time like so, right, and then purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 2, and knit this 5 loops, purl these 5 loops, and then purl 2. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 2, purl 2, and here take this yarn in back and wrap your index finger around 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and bring this yarn in front like so, and then purl these 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl all these, all these 7 stitches like so, and now transfer this stitch to your left hand needle and pass this first stitch over this one like so, and purl this stitch one more time, and then here purl 2. We have done 2 repeats. In the last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front, purl on the wrong side. Now row 5. Row 5 right side, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5. That's the repeat. Purl 2, knit 5. Again purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 6 wrong side. Row 6 wrong side, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 2. For row 6 you will knit as your row 2, so knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 5. Again knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front, purl on the wrong side. Row 7, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 5. Again purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 8 wrong side, row 8 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Knit 2, purl 5. Again knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl. Row 9. For row 9, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2 and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Purl 2 and knit 5. Again purl 2, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 10, knit edge row 2, edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 5. Again knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 11. Row 11, your edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, knit 2 and now we're gonna knit all these 7 loops. Knit all these 7 loops with this 1 stitch. Knit this first and then pass these 7 loops over this stitch like so, right, and then knit it one more time and then here knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2 and knit this loop with this 1 stitch and knit 2. Again purl 2, 2 and then knit 2, 1, 2 and knit all these 7 loops, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these 7 loops with this 1 stitch like so, and then knit it one more time and then here knit 2. See, we have done 2 repeats and your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 12, last row, knit edge row 2, your edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 2, purl 5. That's the repeat. Knit 2, purl 5. Again knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. and your last 3 stitch need to edge stitch purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.